So since everybody be talking about me eating seafood all the time, I got some chipotle. So eat with me. Let's clock it. And then every time I go to chipotle, I gotta get one of these. Get me one of these. Period. And I got me some. We got some queso. Some extra chicken. Where's a little plate like that? I'm gonna go like that. We're gonna go like that. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Yeah. Give me some extra little sauce. Some sauce. What they call that? Cilantro? Some. Y'all know what it is though. Ooh, this is so big. Like my man. A big old burrito. A big old burrito. Big old baby. I should have got me a knife. They ain't give me no fork, no spoon or nothing. Hold on, y'all. I gotta get me a knife for this because I ain't gonna be able to bite this big old burrito. See what it do though. Hold on, let me get me a knife. One second, y'all. Give me a fork too. Cause let me tell y'all, I know I'm not gonna be able to bite into this big old burrito. Oh yes, I already know. It is good. Hold on, let y'all see it. Look at this big old burrito, baby. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is super big. I can't even get it off. Let me pull it off of it. Look, y'all. Look at it. Okay, I'm about to cut it. Because it is huge. Like, literally huge. I'm about to cut this thing. This big old thing.